We're getting ready to go green flag racing. 30 laps is the distance. 1,200 to the winner. They got them lined up. Walker will bring them to the green flag. We are green flag racing. And we got trouble. We got huge trouble down on the front stretch already. As soon as I say we're green flag racing, we're under a red flag condition already, as we've got a parking lot right here outside of turn 4. It all started, looked like with the 57 of Kokoff getting turned and just melee after that. Walker Arthur in that Longhorn chassis, CBA Motorsports. He will lead him off of turn 4 as we try to go one more time. Green flag racing. Looks like we are clean coming out of turn 4. Much better start for this group. How about Sammy Brown around the outside? He's going to try to close the gap now as Walker is your leader. Down the backstretch. Sammy to the inside. He will dive to the inside of Walker as they come off of turn 4 door to door. Walker Arthur is going to get a good run. He will be your leader off of turn 4 as they cross the stripe. Sammy now pulls a slide as he slides up the racetrack in front of Walker. Walker will cross him over as they go down the backstretch. Walker now to the inside going into turn 3. Samuel up on top. Give the lead now to Samuel Bryant in that 65. Great run for Samuel. Tyler Hoy still 3rd. Ronnie Martin Jr. 4th and Justin Williams 5th. But how about Samuel Bryant, your early leader right now with 2 laps in the books. Walker Arthur in 2nd, but he's not going to allow him to get away from him as they maintain about a car and a half lead. As they are 2 by 2 throughout the field. As right now, Samuel Bryant working the top of the racetrack coming off of turn 4. He's your early leader with 4 laps in the books. Ryan Adams has pulled off of the racing surface. His night is done. Samuel Bryant in the number 65 machine is your leader. Now 5 laps in the books. Walker Arthur 2nd. Tyler Hoy is 3rd. Sean Walker now will pass good to the inside of Billy Beechler. That is for 9th. Great battle on the racetrack right there with Brayson Fulton and Jeremiah Marshall back throughout the field. Walker Arthur now still about a car and a half lead behind your leader, Samuel Bryant. As the field starts to stretch out now, as we'll be coming into lap traffic now, as 7 laps now in the books. Still your leader is Samuel Bryant. Walker Arthur still 2nd. And about another 2 laps, your leader will catch the back of the field. Great racing all throughout the Speedway here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Walker now closed the distance right there on that lap. He's now within a car length. As Kerry Breeden will look to the inside of Jonathan Wolf as they battle for the last spot here on the racing surface. Now Walker will look to the inside as Samuel slips off of turn 4. They're door to door going down the stripe. That time Walker edged him by a nose. Walker gets a good run there as Samuel starts to slip coming off of 2. Billy Beecher calls it a night as he dives into the infield now. Lap traffic now a factor as Tyler Hoy has joined the party for the lead as we get a 3-car battle right now as they go into turn 1. Your leader is Walker Arthur, Samuel Bryant, now Tyler Hoy. Walker gets around the 632 of Kerry Breeden. Now Samuel works the middle and top of the racing surface. Walker to the inside of Jonathan Wolf. That's another car. He will separate him in 2nd place. 11 laps are in the books. 19 to go. As now your leader, Walker Arthur, will look to put another car in between. As now Samuel passes the 27 of Jonathan Wolf and works his way back up to the rear bumper of the 87. Laps are starting to wind down here in this feature. $1,200 is the winning purse. Justin Williams now passes Ronnie Martin Jr. for 4th. He's up 2 spots. Walker Arthur wants to see this race stay green as now Kerry Breeden will come to a slow down the front stretch. His night is done as Walker will put another car in between him and 2nd place Samuel Bryant. Samuel now will look to the inside of the 82 of Roger Robertson Jr. Justin Williams will move to the top of the racing surface as he will try to close in on the back bumper of the 71T of Tyler Hoy. Oh, we got caution on the Speedway as Jeff Witt has spun out right there in front of your leader, Walker Arthur. Boom, contact. Contact. Oh, that's not going to be good as Walker Arthur has made contact with the spun car of Jeff Witt. Your leader, Walker Arthur. And he's got severe damage to the right side of his race car as caution has come out as Jeff Witt looped it going into turn 1 right in front of your leader. Walker Arthur, we'll see if this affects his Longhorn race car as they come off of turn 4. Green flag is back out here. We're green flag racing. Once again in this crate late model now. Samuel slips in turn 2. That's going to allow Tyler Hoy to take second. But here comes Justin Williams and Samuel Bryant. We got spin on the backstretch. Caution. Caution as the 18 of Sean Walker spun off of turn 2. He keeps it going. We're green flag racing as Walker now gets out to an early lead. Tyler Hoy now up to second. Justin Williams and Ronnie Martin Jr. battle for fourth. Give the spot to Justin Williams. And here comes the 29A of Corey Allman as he looks to crack the top 5. As now Ronnie Martin Jr. work to the outside. Try to get that spot back. Right now your leader is still Walker Arthur. 16 laps in the books. 13 to go this time by. Now Corey Allman will look to the inside of Justin Williams. The Von Haywood owned rides. Now Corey's coming to life. It's a great battle right there for 4th spot of turn 3. Walker still your leader. Tyler Hoy second. $18 laps in the books. 12 laps to go. Right now, the fastest car with the best lap was Samuel Bryant on lap 3. Walker Arthur still your lead with 10 laps to go. 10 laps to go here in this 1,200 to win feature race. I don't believe lap cars are going to come into play. Now we'll come 9 laps to go. Tyler Hoy in second. Samuel Bryant third. Corey Allman still working to the inside of Justin Williams for that 4th spot. Walker Arthur. It's about a 4-car length lead over Tyler Hoy right now. As 22 laps are in the books. 8 laps to go. Still right now the battle on the track is for 4th and for 6th. And we got caution. There is a caution on the Speedway. But tonight we got to finish this race here first. 8-lap shootout. Here we go. Green flag. Can Walker Arthur hold on? Samuel Bryant's going to try to get a good run right here off of turn 1 and 2. As he gets a good run, he'll take back his 2nd spot. He'll edge Tyler Hoy down the backstretch. Tyler Hoy will drop to 3rd. Corey Allman is 4th. And Samuel Bryant all over the back bumper of Walker. Now Walker gets a good run off of 4. Can he hang on? Samuel now is getting a good run on the bottom. Does he have anything for the 87? They're 3 wide going down the backstretch as David Watts will look to the inside of Ronnie Martin Jr. Just about loses it right in front of the field. He maintains it. And we stay green flag racing as we're coming up on 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go this time by. Walker Arthur has now stretched out to about a 3-car length lead over the 65 of Bryant. 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go for your leader, Walker Arthur. What was almost tragedy might turn into a victory. He made contact with the lap car earlier in the race, causing damage to the right side, but it doesn't seem to have affected the handling of that race car. As now he works the bottom, coming off of turn 4. He's expanded his lead out to about a 5-car length lead now, as Tyler Hoyer will try to take back the second spot. As 2 to go for your leader, Walker Arthur. Picked up a Crate Late Model win at the Dixieland Speedway back in May for $3,000. He won a $5,000 to win race here when the Bandits were here back in April, and then a Mother's Day special here at Natural Bridge. As the white flag is waved, as Walker Arthur will come off of turn 4, he will see the checkers and he will collect $1,200 as he will win the Crate Late Model feature here for the 2nd annual Tommy Bear Memorial race. Second place was the 65 of Samuel Bryant, the 71 of Tyler Hoy. Corey Allman and Justin Williams round out the top 5. Ronnie Martin Jr. 6th, Bobby Thompson 7th, David Watts 8th, Sean Walker 9th, and the 71W, Sean Wetzel rounds out the top 10. But how about it, Natural Bridge Speedway? Make some noise for your winner, Walker Arthur.